Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy and grateful you're here today for the Sharing a Message collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, and Jennifer at Home. I am so happy you're here. Today I want to thank some very special people, and those special people are you, the people that are here watching today and that are very supportive of my channel. I have made so many wonderful friends on YouTube, and I'm so grateful for all of you. Every message you send, I am truly, truly grateful and inspired to keep going. I cannot even tell you how much I appreciate you. I also want to thank Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for putting these wonderful collaborations together time after time after time. Anna works so hard putting these together, and she's always so faithful at getting back to us and answering our questions and getting us on track to put these collaborations out so that we can share them all together for all of you. And we're really, really grateful for all the times that you stop by and watch our videos and comment so kindly. Anna also has a wonderful cooking channel, and it's Simply Grace Lifestyle. Thank you so much, Anna. We all appreciate you tremendously and all of the hard work you put into all of our videos. Speaking of gratitude and thankfulness, I want to share a very special verse with you as a reminder to always be thankful and grateful. 1 Thessalonians 5:18. Give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. Once again, I'm tremendously thankful for all of you who come to see my channel, and all of the wonderful ladies that participate with me in the collaborations. I'm so happy that you're here, and don't forget to check out all of the channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!